Welcome, friends! Let's sing our ABC animal song together. Get ready to move like the animals!
A is for alligator snapping in the sun. B is for bear who loves to run. She is for cat curled up so tight. D is for dog barking with delight. E is for elephant big and strong. F is for fox sneaking all day long. G is for giraffe stretching to the sky. H is for hippo splashing way up high. Hey, and let's rap the ABCs. Animals moving with the coolest energy. Clap, jump, dance, come sing with me. Could buy him into you without scar eye. She went on a rock. J is for jellyfish floating in the sea. K is for kangaroo jumping all around. H is for lion with a mighty sound. M is for monkey swinging through the trees. Ning is for nightingale singing in the breeze. O is for owl with eyes so bright. P is for penguin waddling just right. Hey, and let's rap the ABCs. Animals moving with the coolest energy. Clap, jump, dance, come sing with me. Q is for quail hiding in the grass. R is for rabbit hopping fast. S is for snake moving low and slow. T is for turtle taking it real slow. U is for unicorn sparkly and fun. V is for vulture flying in the sun. W is for wolf howling at the moon. X is for X-ray fish glowing like a tune. Is for yak with hair so neat. Z is for zebra with stripes on beat. Lion, let's rap the ABCs. Animals moving with the coolest energy. Clap, jump, dance, come sing with me. Goodbye.
Great job singing and moving. You learned your ABCs with animals. See you next time!